MLC makes it easy for you to securely view and manage your super account online. You can view your account balance, view statements, bring your super together, manage your investments, and update your details all online. Let's take a closer look. To begin, visit mlc.com.au and log in with your username and password. Your username is your customer number, your email address, or investor ID. Your customer number and investor ID can be found on MLC correspondence. Need online access? Click the Register Now button, confirm a few details, and you will be able to choose a password and log in. Once you've logged in, you'll find a comprehensive range of account information and transactions at your fingertips. View your current balance, investment options, and check that your employer contributions are up to date by clicking on the Transaction tab. You can also view your current insurance benefits and even download your past annual statements. In your account information, you can update your beneficiary information as well as look for your other super in an instant and choose to consolidate it to your MLC account. The Manage Investments section provides details about your current investment option and how your funds are invested. It is also where you can change your investment strategy if you wish and provides links to other investments available in your MLC super account. There is a range of reports you can download to show you how your account is tracking. You can also get online advice using the Personal Super Calculator. It can help you with a projection of your super balance over time, advice on regular contributions, and advice on investment options within your MLC MasterKey Super. Need to update your details? Click Personal Details to update your contact and address information, supply your tax file number, update your statement and letter delivery preferences, and change your password. Now that you are set up with online access, you can also download the MLC app from your App Store. Keep track of your MasterKey accounts, view your super, pension or investment balances, check your account details and more. To find out more, visit mlc.com.au, speak to an MLC representative or call us on 132 652 anytime between 8 AM and 6 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time or Australian Eastern Daylight Time, Monday to Friday, or speak to your financial advisor.